Because during my time in uni, I took up like some hackathons. So during those hackathons, like some of the requirements or something that me and my teammates came up with during the hackathon is basically to make a mobile app essentially. So the important concept or the important thing that we had to do was to do a UI UX design, which I took up the skills essentially. So I learned from Coursera on that. So after a while, like after doing these hackathons throughout my uni years, then after that I decided, so I thought that maybe I should take a step further, maybe learn something to web development. So I think during that time, while I was like looking through Instagram, that I saw the advertisements from Sigma School like that. Then I thought okay, like it's quite interesting. Then I did some more research. Then I decided that maybe I should sign up for this for like learn for 3 months like that. Because it's short, but then it still completes the concepts of web development. So that's why I might as well just try it out. One of my interests so bioengineering is one of them. Then UI UX, then web development. So I guess of course, like the best would be a combination of both healthcare and the IT side of things. So I guess that's the best, of course, since I have like different branches of that. So I like try out like 3 different things, I guess. Then see which one is best for me. But of course, like thinking right now, I guess web development is something that I will essentially do for the next 2 to 5 years or even beyond that last session. It's not really always going to be hard because I do have some experience in coding, coding in Python, I guess, in C++, like during my education years back in uni and before that, essentially. So I do understand like certain things. So so when I learn like JavaScript, that's not really new to me. So it just needs like a lot of practice, I guess. Then I guess you'll become more familiar about the way to code things essentially. So I wouldn't say it's hard. I guess the only like the new thing for me is when we are learning more towards like the front end and back end kind of stuff. So I guess those are the there's certain rules and certain ways to code for both sides. So this something new to me. But I think eventually, I think if you have enough practice, it should be fine. I think it's been, I know it's like short, but then at the same time, I do get to learn a lot in a way, like, the entire aspect of things like that. I guess besides that, like the holistic experience, I think it's important to like learn new things. Like I wouldn't say baseline, but more like a good start essentially before you try to embark on very advanced different advanced concepts. It's a great experience for me. So I'd like to continue this